Hey, what is up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick and raw video of the video taking capabilities of the Vivo X50 and the Vivo X50 Pro. I'm using the Vivo X50 Pro right now as my main camera for A-rolls, and we have right here the Vivo X50. And later on, when you see some B-rolls, ito yung video nung smartphone mismo na papakita ko sa inyo. Mamaya naman, pupunta ako sa rooftop para at least makita ninyo naman yung kumusta yung kanyang dynamic range, kamusta ang video quality niya when taking A-rolls. So I will be using both smartphones. We have the X50 Pro right there and the X50. At ngayon naman, unti-unti na maririnig ninyo yung difference naman ng mic or audio capability ng X50 Pro compared to my daily na microphone na shotgun na nakakonekta sa aking Zoom H1. So, ito, maririnig nyo na ngayon, and here we go. This is how it sounds using the X50 Pro's microphone. So, kita-kita nyo naman yung difference, at mamaya, maririnig nyo pa yan mas lalo sa taas, at may compare ko rin sa inyo yung difference ito dito sa X50. And I hope that you would appreciate this kind of video that we're doing right now. Nang sa ganon ay makita ninyo talaga yung difference, at kung talagang nasa market kayo to buy a new smartphones with this kind of feature, then this might be the one that you are looking for. We're using the Vivo X50 Pro right now, and this is going to be a little different compared to my other videos. Kasi ang ginagawa natin ngayon is we're going to give you a real life or real world test of this smartphone by Vivo. So ito yung isa ng mga bagong smartphones ngayon, at mamaya ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung difference nito without the tripod. So naka-mount ngayon sa tripod tong X50 Pro, and I'm going to give you guys a a quick comparison of how it performs without the tripod. Now, apart from this, naglabas din si Vivo ng X50. So that's their other smartphone na slightly cheaper compared to the X50 Pro. Ano yung difference niya? Well, not much. But in terms of performance of the gimbal, this one has a better gimbal performance than the X50. So ngayon, I'm going to dismount the X50 Pro sa kanyang mount or sa kanyang tripod, and let me show you how this one performs without it. Okay, so right now, yung X50 Pro is dismounted na from the tripod, and as you can see, hawak ngayon ito ng aking pinsan na si Michelle. Michelle, can you please shake the camera a bit? So tuloy-tuloy lang, no? Ngayon medyo nakakahilo from your end, but hopefully, you're seeing it quite better. The gimbal performance is something that is really one of the best things of the X50 Pro. Ayan, baka mahiro na sila masyado. Ayan, okay na yan. Okay, now, at least nakita rin nyo ngayon yung performance ng kanyang gimbal with it or with that feature turned on. And at this point, I'm going to pause the video at papatayin namin yung gimbal mode. Here we go. Okay, now with the gimbal mode turned off on the X50 Pro, isa-shake ko yung ni Michelle yung smartphone, and for you guys to see kung paano performance niya. And as you can see, malaki yung difference compared to the other one. And if I will be asking her to do the same thing what she was doing earlier, ito may tripod na laglag na. Okay, ikaw na mga ulit, Michelle, yung mabilis. Yan, okay, so as you can see, the difference is really like north and south, day and night yung difference. And I think this is really one of the good things of the X50 Pro. And if you compare this with the X50, which I have over there, the difference may not be as much as I expected, but at least it also works. Okay, so at this point, nakikita nyo ngayon yung side-by-side comparison ng X50 Pro at saka ng X50. Ito yung dalawang smartphones ni Vivo, and I'm here to give you guys a quick comparison of these two devices with their gimbal modes enabled. And as I mentioned earlier, mas maganda yung performance ng gimbal mode ng X50 Pro compared with the X50. But let me guys show you how it really differs. So we have here Michelle and also Jessa holding the two devices, and ngayon I will ask them to shake the devices na sabay. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, so sinishake nyo lang ngayon yung devices with the X50 Pro and also the X50. Okay? And then stop. Now, kita nyo ngayon na hopefully nakita nyo yung difference in terms of performance of the gimbal mode. But I'm not here to just tell you the good things about the gimbal mode turn on. I would like you to see and appreciate yung ganda ng dynamic range ng mga video nito. The video quality of both devices. I'm not singling out yung isa dito, no? But both of them, sobrang ganda ng kanilang quality ng video. And I think this is really one of the good things or good, if I may say, qualities of the X50 series. So if you're really looking for a smartphone na pang video and for your contents, no, for projects, for contents, for you to earn, even sa school, no, performance sa school or even sa work, I think these two devices are really among the best ones to consider at a very good price. So the prices of these two devices are in the description down below should you want to buy them. Now, I think the only thing that they need to work on these devices, which I really don't like that much right now, is yung quality ng audio, yung audio recording niya. This is a sample audio recording using the X50 Pro. I think mga nasa 4 feet away sa akin yung X50 Pro. And this is naman a sample audio recording using the X50. It's also 4 feet away from me. At siguro kung ganito ka-noise yung environment mo, hindi yan magiging idea for taking videos with audio. However, if you're going to take videos for B-roll purposes, not for A-roll, excellent itong klaseng mga to, no? Itong mga klaseng mga smartphones ito. And for those of you filmmakers out there na gustong gumawa ng mga kakaibang mga videos, these smartphones might be the ones you're actually looking for. And I hope na itong quick video na ito would help you decide which one to get if you're in the market for a new smartphone with amazing video camera performances. So these are the devices that Vivo is offering for you. Now, it's up to you right now if you are going to consider buying them. But as for me, for that price and for the quality of the videos that you can get or you can record with these smartphones, I believe that it's really a good buy. Again, this has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. Maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope I help you in many ways. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, no, please, no, click that subscription or subscribe button and that notification bell for more videos like this. And I hope you guys appreciate this kind of content we're doing right now. I think it's a bit different from what we've been doing before, but I hope this one is really helpful for you. Again, see you guys soon and I'll catch you on the next video.